Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. This quick video is about changing the license plate light. The only lights that are halogen in the GRC, the GR Corolla, we're gonna go change them. It should be fairly easy, so let me show them to you real quick. Here they are, guys. These guys is 1 and 2. You can't see now, and I think there's like a clip right here. I'm gonna change one of them and then I'll wait for the nighttime so you guys can see the before and after. So let's just change one for now, okay? All right guys, I got it. I don't know if you guys saw. So the way this thing is, it goes in this way. So guys, I put this one right in here, and then there's a little hole right here. I put this guy and push it this way, and then this comes down. So let's take it out or take it off. Let's unplug it. So here it is. Turn it, let me see, this way. There you go. See, these are the only halogen I think this car has. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change just this one so you guys can see what it looks like during the day, and we'll leave the other one. I'm just gonna take it out and then we'll take it when it's dark. This is it. Just pop it off. There you go. Let me get the light. Hey guys, so these are the lights that I'm gonna use. I ordered them from Last Fit. So let's take it out. Here it is. Just put it on. There you go, guys. Okay, so before we put it in, let's turn it in. Oh, there you go. We can connect it now. All right, it's connected. Let me see if I can turn it on so you guys can see the after. Here you guys see the before. So guys, this is the before and this is the after. It looks so much better than this guy. You guys need to see the nighttime version, but you can definitely see how much brighter this looks. Okay, let's put this back in. So to put it back in, guys, just line this up. There's a little clip in here. All right, got it. Just gotta play it for a little bit, guys. So here it is. So let's do the same thing over here, guys. Okay. So let's do the same thing here, and then use the small end to pop this. All right, got it. Okay, now you already see these, guys, so let's unplug it. There you go. Twist the light. Here's the bulb. There you go, new bulb. Put it on. Boom, there you go. Here's the little light cover. Okay, twist, clip in. There you go. So much better, right? So much better. And then to put it back in, you just gotta line it up. There's like a couple little clips. Make sure it's lined up. Once it's lined up, it should easily clip back in. There you go, guys. That's it. I'll show you what it looks like during the nighttime when it gets darker. So that's it for now. These look so sexy at night. I just wanted you guys to see how they look in the GR Corolla. They look so good. Look, I love the back. I love the back, guys. And there you go, guys. I wanted to show you what these lights look like at night. They are so bright. Look how good this is, guys. Look at the ground. Nice, right? So bright. There you go, guys. Those lights are all done. Little simple mod makes a big difference. See the ground? And look at the lights. I love it, guys. And if you look at this like that, Here it is, guys. You see how nice it looks? Very nice. All right, guys, that was a quick little tutorial. Super small, so it makes a pretty good difference. So for now, this is all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Boop, boop, boop. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. Until the next time, peace.